Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce and welcome if you are new. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can block a contact from your WhatsApp. So if you're interested in this, stay until the end of the video so you can follow step by step how to do this. Let's get started. There are these features for a reason. Sometimes a spam contact come to us, is bothering us, or maybe we just want to, for our sanity, stay away from anybody. So this is actually really a good feature, so you avoid any contact. You cannot receive any messages from this blocked person. So I'm gonna show you how to block a contact from your phone. And this will be specifically for WhatsApp. So just be aware that if you block this contact from WhatsApp, it doesn't mean that you won't be getting any other messages. Or if you are using iPhone, this doesn't mean that this contact cannot try to FaceTime you, because there are some other ways to contact this person from these other applications. So this is specifically for WhatsApp. So let's go to my phone now. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to your WhatsApp application on your phone. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna choose a random contact right here. I have this contact and I'm gonna just click on his name right here, and I'm gonna go and click on block contact right here at the bottom, and you will select block, and there it is. I have blocked this contact right away. And as you can see here, it says you blocked this contact, tap to unblock. If you tap here, you will click on unblock if you wanna unblock it. There it is, it's unblocked. This is one way to do it, by clicking on his name. You can also go to settings and then go to account and then see privacy, and you can see who is blocked from here. You can block here, you can add new. Let's say I just want to block this person right here, and it's added to my list of blocked contacts. And you can also unblock it from here by going and click on unblock contact from here. Block contact or unblocked contact. These are the two ways that you can use by going through the name specifically. In your chats, you can just click here and click on the name of the contact, and then go all the way down and click on block contact and then hit unblock. You can also go to your settings here, and then you will go to your privacy and click on blocked. And once that you click on blocked, you can click on add new right here, and you will select the person who do you want to block right here. And in this case, I'm gonna add a random contact right here. Then I just gonna unblock it and unblock it, because it was only for the sake of this video, and it's very easy to do. As you could see, it was very easy to do this. These are the two ways that I know of that you can block a contact from WhatsApp. If you're new to this channel, let me tell you that you will find videos that will help you grow personally, professionally, and also in your business. So if you are interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing so you can watch more videos like this one. And of course, the question that a lot of people will be asking about this is, will my contact know if I have blocked him? Well, let me tell you that if they are a little bit techy, they might know, because the messages that they try to send you will have only one arrow, and that means that it was sent, but it wasn't read or delivered, so they will stay there without any other notification, and they won't have any of the arrows right there. But if they just don't pay attention of these little details, they might not be aware of this. I mean, it won't show any message like you were blocked. No, WhatsApp won't let them know specifically they've been blocked. But if they are a very detailed person like me, yes, they will be aware. So these little details will let them know. Another important thing to be aware of is that blocking a contact doesn't mean that it won't be on your contact list anymore. Okay, so you just block it, but it's still a contact on your list. If you want to remove the contact from your contact list and you want to know how, just let me know in the comments down below and I will create another video for you to do this. But I made this video specifically to let you know how you can block a contact and what happened afterwards. Of course, if you get blocked by someone, you won't be able to see any updates on their profile picture or any changes on their statuses. These also might be letting you know that this person has blocked you, or might be letting them know that you have blocked them. So I hope you find it useful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button down below and on the subscribe button as well.